Hi, my name's Patty Schmidt. I am the high school ag teacher here at Easton Valley FFA. We are located in Preston, Iowa. We have a beautiful new greenhouse. Our students this year have learned a lot of different things. Kids made their own hydroponics units with a $25 budget. And so they had to create hydroponics units. They successfully grew tomatoes. We had some lettuce growing in some of them as well. And then when we received our STEM grant, we were able to purchase our new NFT and Dutch bucket systems for us to be able to grow our lettuce and tomatoes. Our goal is that we will supply the school lunch program at the high school. We're excited. We've learned a lot, have we not, about how to do this. The students are learning how to, every day they check pH, they check EC. The students know how to adjust the pH levels, they know how to adjust the nutrient levels. It's been a good learning experience for all of them.
I actually really love the greenhouse. I love being in here. And I try to be in here as much as I can. Even getting my hands dirty and like repotting things and planting baskets, I really love it. Like I didn't think that we had that much, but now that I look around and I see how much we have and how much we've done, it's just beautiful. I love it.
We're happy when we get to work in the greenhouse all day long.